What's going on YouTube? It's Brian Budd. I'm back again. So today we're going to be replacing the taillights on my E36. I'm putting the car on the road this Monday, and the stock taillights, the housing where the bulb socket goes, a couple of them broke. I mean, it just got brittle over time. So now if you say hit a pothole, a bump, a crack, they fall out and then I lose the brake lights, and that's not good. I really don't want to get rear-ended, so we're gonna take care of that today. I'd show you the taillights, but they are with the car, so I will show you them when I get there. We're gonna be taking my Miata today, just because the 335i, that needs an oil change. It needs the oil filter housing gasket replaced. That's starting to leak a little bit. It needs the plugs done. Just normal maintenance issues need to be taken care of, and I'll be doing that really soon. And if that's something you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make a video of me doing that. But I'm going to get everything loaded up into the Miata. Well, at least everything that I think that I'm gonna need for today. I normally at least forget something. Oh yeah, I started going through some of the black interior stuff I have. This is like the back bench seat. These are the cards for the back. I have the back bolsters and the back seats. I have more stuff in here that I'll go through, but I obviously can't bring it over because the Miata is not going to be able to fit any of that, so that's going to be put off for now. So yeah, let's get everything packed up and head over to the E36. Okay, so we made it at the E36. I have it running right now. I'm gonna pull it over here into the shade. I don't really feel like being melted by the sun. It's really bright out and hot out. But so I got two things that came in the mail. One was the taillights, and then I also ordered these. I ordered some clear corners. These things are really nice quality. I'm pumped about them, but I'm more excited about the taillights, so check these out. These things are beautiful. Really nice quality. A lot nicer than the stock ones, that's for sure. So let's compare them to the stock. Here's the stock taillights. And then these. Stock taillights. These, like, it's gonna look a lot better. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I might throw on that intake. I'm not sure yet. We'll see where it goes. But anyways, if you guys want those taillights or those corners, I'll link the website down in the description below. They have a lot of stuff. I mean, anything European, German, they have it, so check them out. Yeah, because that stuff, great quality, nice stuff, and good prices. But anyways, let's pull over the BMW and start pulling out the old taillights and getting the new ones in. Okay, so we're in the shade now. First things first, what you want to do is, normally there's this cover over the back of the taillight like this. You come over, all you do is, there's this little knob right here, you twist it to the left and this cover pops off. After you do that, it'll look like this. And then you take this, you go to this connector, you squeeze, and then you pop it out. And then what you got to do to get the taillight out, you get an 8mm socket and ratchet or a wrench. If you don't, and your car still has this, the factory toolbox, you can get it out of here. There is an 8mm and a 10mm wrench right here, so you can either use this, but I got my little trusty dusty toolkit with me, my travel toolkit. So 8mm. I'll set you guys down for a minute. I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not. Are you able to see this? So, oh, that was loose already. It's a pretty simple job, to say the least. So I have all them loose. Save the hardware, don't lose them. You're also going to reuse the bulb sockets. Alright, so I have all the 4 of the nuts off. So now to get it out, you just kind of pull it out like that. Oh wow, check that out. So that should definitely not be happening. Yeah, look at that. So make sure every so often you take your taillights out and you clean them so it doesn't get gunked up like this. Look, wow, look at that. That's good. I'm gonna clean this area up and then I'll be right back with you guys. So I got this all cleaned up. I got all the gunk, the pollen, the dirt, just all that nasty stuff that was in here cleaned out. I went ahead and I put all the bulb sockets back in where they need to go. So now all I gotta do is, I'm gonna set you guys down. All I gotta do is put the tail light back in like this. And I would start off by threading the nuts on by hand, just so you don't cross thread anything. So I have them finger tight. Now you want to take your ratchet, your wrench, whatever you have. You just want to go around and kind of tighten them like you would a wheel. Just try to tighten them as evenly as possible. Once you get them tight, don't overdo it. Just make sure they're snug. So now once they're snug, all you have to do is take this connector and you plug it right back in, and then there you go. You just successfully swapped out your taillight, and then you basically just repeat the process on this side. I'll show you how to see. That's how you take that cover off. So I'm gonna do this side up really quick, and then I'll show you guys the end result with both on. So I'll be right back. All right, so taillights are in. They look great. I definitely prefer them over the stock taillights, so I hope you guys like them as well. But here they are. They look awesome. I do honestly wish I was able to get the full clear ones, but they didn't have them in stock and I needed taillights as soon as possible. But other than that, I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I'm sorry I didn't get to the intake. I will definitely be getting to that very shortly because I'll be putting this car on the road tomorrow and I want to get the intake and the exhaust on as soon as possible, just because I want it to sound halfway decent and sound cool. I just want it to sound good. But also, I did find a motor and a lot of the stuff needed to do the N54 swap. So if that's something you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comments below, because I'll start getting the parts together and we'll start doing this swap sooner than later. It's something I definitely want to do. So if that's something you guys would like to see as well, let me know. And also, real quick before I go, I just got done washing the Miata. I also do plan on posting more videos of this car. Like, I have a whole KBD kit, but if you guys want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. But I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.